Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Friday, April 4th at 5:40 in the morning, and we are continuing to create Volume 2, Ocean Critters, coloring book to be published on Amazon.com. I already have the Critters Around the Farm, Volume 1, available for sale on Amazon, and we are working on Volume 2, which is, like I said, Ocean Critters. This one today is a sea turtle. I picked the sea turtle because I think the sea turtle is one of my favorite ocean critter that's out there. I just love the way their skin looks underwater, in the salt water and the sun's rays shining down. I've had numerous screensavers on computers over the years with sea turtles, and I love watching any documentary I can find about them. They are just very curious, friendly, docile, and they're just awesome. So I was drawing it, and it came together pretty well. I was worried about all the curves, like I've said in my previous videos. Curves are my nemesis, especially freehand drawing, so I used my stencil a lot on this one. There's some curves I can get down, some I can't. You notice I'll turn my paper sideways and up and down as I'm drawing. Here I'm using a template for the stars that in the picture. The moon, I'm using a stencil again. It just not great freehand at it, so I'm gonna get better, and hopefully at the end I'll be able to just draw them. But it takes practice. All this takes practice. I started last July back drawing again, and I documented it. I believe it was July. If I'm not, then you can go back in my videos and check. But I documented day one of starting to draw again. I started with a book from Mark Kistler. I believe it was Learning to Draw in 30 Days, which was a very good book to start off with. It helped me with angles, curves, three-dimensional drawing, and perspective. So I do recommend it. It's a good starting point again, because I hadn't drawn since my high school days. I'm 56 now, and just started back up, and it's starting to feel natural. I've noticed that I can start to see the drawing laid out on the page more and more before I draw it, and that's been helpful. But it's been a process. So, if you've got a hobby you've been wanting to start or try, do it. It's a great way to get your day started. We're done with this one. This is my final drawing, and have a great day.